Edi mutwe tetumanyi biki bigenda muvunaanibwa naye okusinziira ku bibadde bigenda maaso ku kkooti y'e Kanyanya ffenna tukitegeddeko era tubadde nga tukiraba nti ba Edi mutwe nabo we baabaleeta biyinza okuba nga kiteeberezebwa nti biri ku ebyo ebyakolebwa bibagamba nti ekibiina kya National Unity Platform nti baali beetabye mu drills z'abannamagye. Ebyo bize bibeerawo wano mu Uganda naye nga kye tusaba kiri kimu, just musubscribinge, mulikinge, musharinge tusobole obbatuusaako ago amawulire. Ebigenda okuba mu kooti byonna tugenda bba tubibatuusaako wano, so mubeereeko, kyembasaba kyokka mubeereeko, ebintu bino mubeere nga mubiraba. Kakati omukulu amanyiddwa nga Alex Waiswa Mufumbiro aleeteddwa olunaku olwaleero ku kkooti wano e Kanyanya, nga bwe twabasuubiza okubongera amawulire agakwata ku nsonga z'omwami ono Alex Waiswa Mufumbiro aleeteddwa ku kkooti. Emisango gy'avunaanibwa tetumanyi, tujja kuba tubimanya byonna nga bwe bigenze mu maaso, so kyembasaba mu subscribinge, mu likinge, mu sharinge tusobole obbatuusaako amawulire ag'enjawulo agakwatagana n'ebintu bino.
Bobby Wine is my president. Yeah. Unless you kill me, I will say that forever and ever and ever.
I know.
When you live in a state,
the prison guard is worried about taking his cell. No, you're not fat,
Bobby Wine is my president. Yeah. Unless you kill me, I will say that forever and ever and ever.
I know.
When you live in a state,
the prison guard is worried about taking his cell. No, you're not fat,
Bobby Wine is my president. Yeah. Unless you kill me, I will say that forever and ever and ever.
I know.
Amen.
Now, amen. Amen. Addressed her identity. The judge is not correct. Maybe the rest of the operation. She's on record.
Given access to media properly represented.
Can I be heard?
Unless you stand there and you're doing the media thing. But are you a media person?
My name is Madam. I also have a right to call this one up in court. I've not had that.
That's why the media is present. If you are a lawyer, come to the side of lawyer.
I'm not an advocate.
Then sit with the public.
I was still in the public.
And doing the work of journalists.
No, citizens have a right.
And we have access to media, present,
Your Worship, if I may.
proceed set, proceed cancel.
You are not a court. You are not a court. If I have instruction, I hope what has not yet have context of it. Amen. If I have instructions to apply today, I wish to get from the onset that at this stage, all the accused persons under our Constitution are presumed innocent. Whatever is stated at this stage remains an allegation. I also wish to state that from the nature of the offenses with which they are charged, first, they are within your powers to try, and secondly, it is within your discretion. Within your discretion to consider their release of faith. With regard to the accused number 8, that is Waiswa Mufumbiro. Your Worship, we agree with his description in the charge sheet as verified by the state. When they say he's a Ugandan, we agree. When they say he's 39 years of age, we agree. When they say he's a Musoga by tribe, we agree. Where they describe him as an officer and a lawyer, we agree. They have also given you his residence. They have verified that he has a fixed place of abode. They have verified, Your Worship, the state has verified that he has a fixed place of abode at Mufumbiro, Zone 5, Account Division. One of the requirements of the bail application is that you must be satisfied that the accused has a disgrace of her body. I don't know that you should give the state a copy of this letter of they are verified of that.
And so you're verified what's not the state.
So for purposes of court, I want to confirm and I urge you to agree with the state that he has a place of abode at the location they have indicated. That letter confirms that. There is a letter of LC that letter is attached and is stamped and they are already the original for purposes of court. Lordship, so like going there is that in terms of the fixed place of our board for A8, we invite you to agree with all of us, the state and the defense, that he has it. I also wish to indicate in regard to A9 is a married man, family man. Wedded. A8. A family man. Wedded to another Ugandan citizen by the name of Katende. I have seen the wife in the court. I don't know if she is there. Wife behind her. Lordship, the reason I've brought that aspect of the married man is that he has been instrumental in supporting his wife and his children. The wife was diagnosed with cancer. She saw the depends on him. For purposes of availing the finance and all support. And I will just, without going into much detail, she's undergoing treatment at the Uganda Cancer Institute. The originals of these documents are here in court. Look at that. I would urge that you retain the photocopy so that she can continue using her originals. But this one, the number is 96. I'm happy to tell you. Very good. These ones you may just also look at them, but I'm available a number of X-ray which is undergoing treatment. This treatment is, you can take notice, the treatment of cancer is very expensive. I'm advised that the chemotherapy and the cost of treatment is around 5 million a week. I want to conclude on that aspect, urge you that as we consider this explanation of this data application, putting him away out of circulation, if he is not released, we are almost signing a death warrant for another person who depends on me. So, this is a unique situation. We all may not want to be in it, but it's in it. We ask you to consider that.
Through your lawyer.
Because once you sit there, please address your counsel. Counsel?
The information I have is that she is being managed from the Uganda Cancer Institute. That is in Lago.
Bobby Wine is my president. Unless you kill me, I'll say that forever.
Madaada, female adult Ugandan, age 34 years, Musoga by tribe, a resident of Bulenga, Bira Cell, Wakiso district. Count 1 is to the effect of A9, that is Madaada. And count 1, unlawful drilling, contrary to section 45(1)(a) of the Penal Code Act, Cap 128. Particulars of this offense. Madaada Saudah, also known as AIGP Madaada, and others still at large, on the 12th of February 2025, at the National Unity Platform offices at Mapere Kabule, Wandegea Kawepe Division in Kampala District, without permission of the minister. trained or drilled other persons in the practice of military exercises, movements, or evolutions. That is to A9. That goes to fact true or they are not true. My name is stated as Madada Saudah, also known as. The state will address it. The state will address why they put that also known as. But you accept that you're Madada Saudah. That is the main name. The other is not named. Okay, I move to count 2. In this count 2, I have A8. That is Waiswa Mufumbiro, Alex. Unlawful drilling. Contrary to section 45(1)(b) of the Penal Code Act, Cap 128. Particulars of this offense. Waiswa Mufumbiro, Alex, and others still at large on the 12th day of February 2025 at the National Unity Platform offices at Makere Kavule, Wandege Kawempe Division in Kampala District without permission of the Minister were present at a meeting or assembly of persons for training or drilling in the practice of military exercises, movements for evolution. Is it true or is it not true?
The charge was read to me, absolutely not true, and found rigorous.
Okay, we can end there. Count 3 that do not partake of any of these two accused persons. I move to count 4, which is in relation with A9, Madada Saudah. Statement of the offense of count 4, offenses in relation to uniforms, contrary to section 152(1) of the Penal Code Act, Cap 128. Particulars of this offense. Madada Saudah, also known as AIGP Madada, and others still at large on the 12th day of February 2025 at the National Unity Platform offices at Makere Kavule, Wandege in Kampala, Kawempe Division in Kampala District, not being persons serving in the armed force in Uganda or in any naval, military, air, or police force or constabulary of any other Commonwealth country without permission of the Minister, wore a uniform or dress having the appearance of bearing of regimental or distinctive uniform marks of the Is it true or not true? I move to count 5, which is in relation to both accused persons before me, that is A8 and A9. Conspiracy to commit a felony, contrary to section 363 of the Penal Code Act, Cap 128. Particulars of this offense. I skip the other parties because they are not present, and I mention Waiswa Mufumbiro Alex, Madada Saudah, also known as AIGP Madada, and others at large on the 12th day of February 2025 at National Unity Platform offices at Makere Kavule Wandege, Kawempe Division in Kampala District, conspired to commit a felony to which unlawful drilling. A8, Waiswa Mufumbiro Alex, is it true or is it true?
Your worship, it is not true, it's frivolous, and can all people in the state charging of things that are not present.
I got my answer. Thank you. Court has registered a PNG for all counts for both accused persons, A8 and A9.
I have instructions to obey what accused counsel.
The accused persons have the right to bail.
But like, however, I would wish the court to specifically note the protest by April.
Amen.
It is now day 9.